A very good morning to all my lovely children. Are you all ready for today's English class? Yes. Children, today I am going to teach you to read story number 8, The Picnic, from page number 121 to 127 from Fritjoy Reader's book. After that, we will learn sound from Phonics Pupil book, Sound of Q. Children, today I will teach you to write cursive J in the English notebook as well as in the workbook. After that, we will learn a new rhyme and its name is The Wheels of the Bus. So, let's start our today's class. Children, now bring your Fritjoy Reader's book. And now open page number 121. Children, the name of this story is The Picnic. As you know, there are two children in this story. One is a boy, his name is Jim, and one is a girl, her name is Jet, and they both are going for picnic. Now let's read it. A and D and I, W-I-L-L will, G-O go, F-O-R for, a run. And I will go for a run. S-A-I-D said, J-Imma Jim. What Jim is saying? He is saying, and I will go for a run. Why he is saying so? Because Jet said, I will have a swim in the pond. See, she went for swim in the pond. She said, then Jim said, and I will go for a run. He said, okay, so you are going for swimming? Then I will go for a run, said Jim. Turn the page, come to page number 122. Now see, they both are playing in the sun. They are flying kites. T-H-E the sun, ga otter got, ha otter hot. The sun got hot. It was very hot day. Pa at a pat, W-A-S was, ha otter hot. Pat was hot. Ta om a Tom, W-A-S was, ha otter hot. Tom was hot. Ja at a jet, A-N-D and, Ja imma Jim, ga otter got, ha otter hot. Ta T-O-O-2. The sun got hot. The sun was very hot in the day. Pat was hot. Pat is Jet's mother. She was also feeling hot. Tom is Jim's father. He was also feeling hot. Tom was hot. Jet and Jim got hot too because they were playing in the sun. In the daytime they were playing, so they both were feeling very hot. Now page number 123. It, W-A-S was, just, A-S as, ha otter hot, F-O-R for, ja at a jet, A-N-D and, ja imma Jim, A-S as, it, W-A-S was, F-O-R for, ta om a Tom, A-N-D and, pa at a pat. It was just as hot for Jet and Jim as it was for Tom and Pat. See children, the weather was very hot and they both, Jet and Jim, were feeling as hot as it was for Tom and Pat. They both were feeling equally hot as it was for their parents. And children, why they were feeling hot? You can see they were flying kites, and we fly kite in an open area in the daytime. So at that time sun was very hot, and because of that, Jet and Jim and Pat and Tom, they were feeling very hot because they were playing outside. They were flying kites. Now turn the page. Page number 124. W-I-L-L will, G-O go, F-O-R for, Imma swim, T-O-O-2. I will go for a swim too. Since Jim was feeling very hot, he said that I will go for a swim too. Now I want to go for a swim, said Jim. Now page number 125. See. Ta om a Tom, A-N-D and, pa at a pat, wa-e-nt went, F-O-R for, imma swim, T-O-O-2. Tom and Pat went for a swim too. Tom is Jim's father and Pat is Jet's mother. So they both went for a swim too. WAS was fun. It was fun. They enjoyed their swimming because they were feeling hot, and swimming gave them lots of rest. And then they felt cold. Turn the page, come to page number 126. Children, now see. After swimming, they were having food. So they enjoyed a lot. The, pa ikka pic, n ikka nick, WAS was fun. The picnic was fun. SAID said, ta oma Tom, TO2, pa at a Pat. The picnic was fun, said Tom to Pat. Tom is Jim's father, and he said to Pat, Jet's mother, that the picnic was fun. Then what the children said? WAS was fun, FOR for us, TOO2. It was fun for us too. Means the children also enjoyed. It was fun for us too. SAID said, Ja etta Jet, TO2, Ja emma Jim. Jet said to Jim. So everybody enjoyed this time. In this way, children, story number 8 comes to an end. Now let's revise the words which we have used so far, and they are on page number 127. Story 8. See, this is I, AMM, HAVE, have. GO, go. SAID, said. FOR, for. Children, these two lines, these words, they are sight words. TO2, WITH, with. WAS, was. This line is also, in this line, these words, they are sight words. Pa on the pond, AS, pa ikka pic, n ikka nick, picnic. Now some new words. Ba ella bell, f ella fell, s ella sell. In this way, children, you have to read story number 8 and page number 127. Children, so today you have learned to read story number 8, The Picnic. So I hope you will read it like this, the way I taught you. Children, now bring your phonics pupil book 1. And now open page number 35. Children, today you will learn the sound of Q, and it says qua. Now the action you have to do is make a duck's beak with your hand and say quack, 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 like this. Quack, quack, quack. Duck says quack. Now let's write. First you have to trace and write. And then, children, you have to trace and write in the first line. You can color this duck also with your favorite colors. So let's write. Like this, you have to trace and write. First you have to trace and write Q and then U, like this. And it says qua. And here you have to write on your own like this. First you have to make Q, then you have to go up, then you have to make U like this. Now let's revise these sounds. This is X. This is Ch. This is Sh. And this is Th. Now let's read these words. Qua, I, ka, quick. quilt, quilt. Liquid. Squid. Again, children, let's read it. Quick. Quick means you have to finish your work quickly. Jaldi, jaldi. Quilt. Children, we cover ourselves with quilt in winter, isn't it? रात में हम क्या ओढ़ते हैं? रजाई. Quilt is known as रजाई. Liquid. Water is liquid. Squid. Squid lives in sea or oceans. It is a fish. Children, 3 of these pictures have a qu sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. See, children, this is queen, this is squirrel, this is question, and this is a map. So map does not have qu sound. So you have to cross it out like this. Children, after that, come to page number 43. Now again, tricky words. These are sight words. Let's read them. This is I, W-A-S was, T-O-2, D-O-do, A-R-E-R, A-double-L, all. Now you have to again write. So first trace and write like this. Then here you have to write on your own like this. Write on the black line. You can take support of this black line. Now the second one is W-A-S was. So trace and write. Like this. Now see. Take support of this black line. Like this. Was. Now it is to T-O-2. Write on the black line. In that way it will become easy. D-O-do. This is A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. Now A-double-L all. Like this. Sorry. And then turn it a little bit. A-double-L all. In this way you have to finish this page. Children, today I will teach you to write cursive J. Look here. This is cursive J to write. J for jug, and the sound of J is jug. Children, look here. This is capital J and this is cursive J. Today's date. Today is 24th February 2021. Now let's start writing. Put your pencil on the second blue line, children, and then take support of this red line. From here you have to make a slanting line like this, and then you have to go down. And you have to make a standing line and you have to touch this red line. Then you will fold it, and in this way you have to write cursive J. And then you have to put this dot. Understand? Now look here again. First you have to make a slanting line. You have to touch the first blue line. Then make a standing line till the red line. You have to go down and then fold it like this, and then you have to put dot. In this way you have to write J. Now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now I am going to teach you to write cursive J in the notebook. First write today's date. Today is 24th February 2021. Write the classwork also. And now see, put your pencil on the second blue line. Take support of this red line. Make a slanting line like this and then go down, making a straight line, and then turn it a little bit. Like this you have to write J, then you have to put a dot. This is cursive J. See, in this way you have to write, and you have to write this full page. Children, in this way you have to write J in this page. You have to finish this page. So children, see, in this way you have to write cursive J, finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now bring your My First Stride in English workbook. And now open page number 44. See what you have to do. Join the dots and color the jug. J for jug. So you have to join the dots and then you have to color this jug. Now first you have to trace and write like this. And from here you have to write on your own like this. Alright? In the same way you have to finish the second line. Trace and write, and then from here you have to write on your own. Like this. Children, finish this page, and this page you can do afterwards. Alright? So finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now bring All for Kids Rhymes with Worksheets book. Now open page number 40. Today we will learn a new rhyme and its name is The Wheels of the Bus. What is wheel? See children, these are the wheels of this bus on which it moves. Okay. Now see, the wheels of the bus go round and round all through the day. Children, this bus go around all through the day, whole day. This bus is moving around. And what happens next? The children in the bus go jumping around. This bus is full of children. And what they do? They jump around all through the day. Then the bell in the bus goes trin, trin, trin. There is a bell in the bus and it sounds like trin, trin, trin all through the day. The horn in the bus goes pom, pom, pom. Children, every vehicle, they have horn. So in the same way, this bus has a horn which goes like pom, pom, pom. It says pom, pom, pom all through the day. The seat in the bus goes bum, bum, bum. Whenever we sit on the seat, when these children sit on the seat of this bus, it says bum, 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 bum all through the day. Then the driver in the bus goes shoo, shoo, shoo. See, just this driver, he say to everyone, shh, shh. He asks everyone to be quiet. And he says shoo, shoo, shoo all through the day. So let's recite this rhyme. The wheels of the bus go round and round all through the day. The children in the bus go jumping around all through the day. The bell in the bus goes trin, trin, trin all through the day. The horn in the bus goes pom, pom, pom all through the day. The seat in the bus goes bum, bum, bum all through the day. The driver in the bus goes shoo, 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 all through the day. Children, in this way, you have to recite this rhyme. Now, I will show you its action. Now, come to page number 41. And now it's activity time, children. First, write today's date. Today is 24th February 2021, like this. Fill in the names of pictures. Children, we have to fill the names of these pictures. See, the first picture is of a wheel. So, you have to write its spelling. W, then what will come here? H, E, and then L. Children, this is like crosswords. Okay. Now, see, this is a ball. So, B, then A, double L. One L is here. B-A-double-L, ball. Now, children, see, this is a bus. Bus. Now, this is a fish. Spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. So, only I was missing here. This is a horn, which says pom, pom, pom. H-O-R and then N, horn. This is, children, this is a circle which is round in shape. So, what you have to, now you have to write its spelling. R is here, O, U is here, N, and then D is here. In this way, you have to finish this activity in your rhymes book. Children, now it's time to recite our new rhyme, The Wheels of the Bus, with actions. So, let's start it. The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round all through the day. The children in the bus go jumping around, jumping around, jumping around. The children in the bus go jumping around all through the day. The bell in the bus goes trin, 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 trin. The bell in the bus goes trin, 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 all through the day. The horn in the bus go pom, 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 pom. The horn in the bus go pom, 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 all through the day. The seat in the bus go bum, 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 bum. The seat in the bus go bum, 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 all through the day. The driver in the bus goes shoo, 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 shoo. The driver in the bus goes shoo, 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 all through the day. Children, in this way, you have to recite this rhyme with actions. So make your videos on it and send them to me. I will see you in your next class. Bye-bye.